The Qualirey Solar Motion Sensor Alarm is an excellent choice for enhancing outdoor security, offering both solar and USB power options for continuous operation without the hassle of frequent battery changes. With its versatile 4 security modes, users can easily customize the alarm to suit different needs, whether it is for home security or animal deterrence, providing flexibility and peace of mind. The alarm features a variety of 13 sounds, including realistic dog barking and lion roaring, or users can record their own custom warning for effective deterrence in any situation. Built to withstand outdoor conditions, this motion sensor alarm includes a durable battery that ensures reliable performance in various environments, from farms to warehouses. Installation is straightforward and quick, using either ground stakes or wall screws, and the package includes everything needed to set up the alarms in multiple locations for comprehensive security coverage. This product is not only effective but also makes for a thoughtful gift, as it combines practicality with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting use and satisfaction for any recipient.